To enable obstacle avoidance for Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, we'll need to enter the settings for our robot. Next step is to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen right here, and then you can go for Reactive Obstacle Avoidance. On the top there's option Reactive Obstacle Avoidance, which will intelligently recognize and avoid obstacles that may block its way, and you can turn it on or off using this switch. And there's also option for less collision mode, which will foresee walls and furniture in advance to reduce frontal collisions. It may cause missed scanning in some of the narrow spaces, so you can also enable or disable it along the obstacle avoidance. And lastly, there's a pet mode, which will make your robot recognize cats and dogs and faces during the operation. It takes more cautious avoidance actions and not to run into one of your pets. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.